Hello everyone, this is Letty from Rotex Master. Today I want to introduce to you about our double rotor hammer mill. It have two model. This machine has two model. You can hear from here. Its model is YSFS 65x75, and we have another one. The large one is YSFS 65x100. Its name is double rotor hammer mill, so it have two rotor and two motor to run the rotor. Follow me. I want to show you the motor about it. Look here. There are its motors. Each motor power is 55 or 75 kW, and it's two-stage motor. The rotated speed is 3,000 RPM. Can give us the output is 4 to 5 ton per hour. But if you want to a large one, the large capacity, I recommend you to choose the YSFS 65 by 100. This one is a large one. The capacity is 5 to 6 ton per hour. It is suitable for you. And the motor and the rotor contact directly by the coupling. Come here. I want to show you the coupling. The yellow one is the coupling. It reduce the loss of mechanical energy, and it makes it high efficiency. This machine have a wide range of material such as the wood chips, shaving, straws, bamboos, and other, but it have some requests for it. First, the moisture of your material must within 30%. The drier, the better. Because if the moisture of your material is too high, it will block the screens. Then, when you next use the machine, you must clean it first. It will increase the cost. And the second, about the size. The length and the width of your material must, you can see here. The length and the width of your material must within 3 cm, and the sink must within 2 cm. Which is the thinner, the better. Because if it's too thin, the hammer impact degree is different, affect the rotor balance. So it's better to use the machine which is be cutting by wood chipper. About the impurities of your material, I think it's better to adding a magnetic field to remove the iron blocks and iron chips. The meaning part size of our screens is 2 millimeter. Yeah, it's 2 millimeter. But we also use 10 millimeter because it is the international standard. The first part is over. Now I will show you the second part about its working process. Look here, from top down, this is the feeding port. We can use a belt conveyor or other to discharge the wood chips from here. Then the chips will down into the crushing room. Inside the crushing room, there are 2 rotors and 216 pieces of hammers. The hammers and the chips impact. Then the hammers can crush in the wood chips into sawdust. The finished sawdust size is 8 millimeter. Yeah, it's 8 millimeter. It's the perfect size to make a pellet. The finished sawdust can force through the screens of the board and be sucked out by a foam blower. This is a outlet. It can contact with a white pipe and contact with a foam blower. The whole grinding section includes the hammer mill, foam blower, cyclone, air lock, and the bag dust collector. But it's not in the position. If you want to some detail about this, you can leave your message. Then my colleague will contact with you. Yeah, this is the working process. Now I want to tell you some advantage about this. Look here, there are two screens on both sides. It increases the discharge area and improve the protection capacity. And you also can replace the screens on both sides. It is more convenient than before. Just take it out on both sides. It saves time and don't need to remove the whole machine. Yeah. Uh, there are two bearing blocks. It can fix the rotor. The rotor inside the crushing room, but we can't see it. About the rotor, the whole rotor uh, include the main shaft, the rotor disc, and the hammers. The rotor direction can be changed. You can change the rotor direction per week. It can ensure the useful effect of hammers and ensure the balance of rotors. The hammers, the hammers inside the crushing room, there are 216 pieces of hammers. The hammers material is tungsten carbide point weldings, and it can be used for a long time. And you can replace the hammers from here and here. Don't need to remove the whole machine. Look here. We raise the boulders and ending the rubble. Both of them can adjust according to the dry and weight of materials to ensure the flow of material and ensure the production capacity. Follow me. I want to show you last advantage. This is the journey switch. Maybe you can't see it clearly. Yeah, it is being installed on both sides. It can ensure the safety during the machine operation. That's all. It's my introduce to about our double rotor hammer mill. If you have any questions, if you are interested in it, you can leave your message. Then my colleague will contact with you. Thank you. Bye bye.